For Philocare, Paza between.
Sino nga yun?
Kaya mo na yan, Kuya Louie.
Pasa. Si Pasa. Number 17. Sino nga yung number 17?
Garcia and number 15,
Hammond.
Pack in po tayo mga players, pack in.
Stock in. Players, stock in, please.
Kabila ka, kuya. Kabila.
Spy yan eh, spy. Spy ka na.
Ayos yung break dyan ah.
First position, Maricoy. First shot is good for Jesse. Aza. Steal by Ildeso. Ildeso. 2 points. Time out. Philocare. Early time out for you, Philocare. Pass to Howard. Howard drives. Advance. Zamora, pass to Salas. Pinasa kay Jesse. Zamora.
Pre, belated happy birthday. Salamat.
Ingat ah.
Salas, 2 points. Aza, pass to Garcia. Advance.
Yan ang gumapit niyan. Yan ang gumapit. Yan ang gumapit niyan.
Winter reverses, wala. Rebound number 17. Garcia, pinasa kay Hamad. Hamad, easy. Oh, wow, bumagas. Jesse, pass to Ildeso. Ildeso, wala. Rebound number 17. Pass to Edu. Maza, attack. Out of round, single. 15 seconds to shoot, 15 seconds.
Straight line. Straight line.
2 points for Paza. Zamora, fakes, fires, wala. Rebound, number 17. Fish foul. Foul number 10, Zamora. First personal foul, first team foul.
Kita mo yung wala kayo magbato? Nag-cramps kasi siya sa ibabaw. Pagtalo niya ba? Kakapi mo pala yan?
Between 2 points. Zamora. Drives. 2 points. Hazard against 3. Steal. Zamora. 2 points.
Wala lang yung time out kaya. Wala lang yung time out.
Yes, behind you. Help, help, help. Help, help. Nasa gitna.
Hazard. Zamora, pass to Jesse. 2 points. Edu, pass to Hazard. Steal by Winter. Winter lays it up. Wala. Zamora, 2 points. Steal. Jesse, pass to Sales. Wala. Out, pass to number 17. Arubas. Zamora for 3. Short.
Action, bola.
Out of bounds. Light ball.
Middle ball. Middle ball, middle.
Maza. Loose ball.
Bro.
Ball number 25. Sales. First personal foul. Second foul. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds. Maza, 2 points.
Balik.
Zamora against Maza. Zamora, wala. Rebound Hamad. Two points for number 17. Ryan, pass to Jesse. Mid-range jumper, wala. Rebound. Zamora. Foul number 8. Maza. First personal foul, first team foul. Maza. Steal. Jesse to Winter, 2 points. Maza is foul. Foul number 10, Zamora, second personal foul, third team foul.
Up.
Alright. Basket, good. May kasama mo, foul. Foul number 3, Jesse. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Water shot for number 15, Hamad.
Mag-dribble siya, spin lang. Okay? Dandan lang. Nice bro. Dandan lang.
Zamora, wala. Zamora rebound pa rin, pero di makuha. Light ball. Out of bounds. Ryan, pass to Jesse. Pinasa kay Ryan. Wala. Rebound, Hugi. Pass to number 15, Hamad. Pass to number 17, mag-isa lang, 2 points. Jesse pass to Ryan. All along for 3. Yeah, rebound Maza. Pass to number 15. Pinasa kay Maza. Maza to Kuya Louie. Pinasa kay number 17. Wala. Rebound ng Yeso. Pinasa kay Winter. 3-on-1. Winter pass to Sales. Sales bumaba. Pero may foul. Foul number 15, Hamad. Number 15. Ilan na sab? Ha?
May ball na siya kanina, di ba?
Kasi pasa yun eh.
Kasi pasa sa PCS.
First personal foul for number 15, Hamad. First shot, no good.
Pwede na po muna kabilang team itong kanila eh.
One out of two. And in the first quarter, official score 17.
Sa regional. Kinukukunin nga din dapat ako. Reggie Labrot. Walang tataw dito.
Nanalo kami dito, may award ako ah.
Best coach kaya? Coach of the year?
Arubang Sembo.
Roll, balance. Roll.
Habang Astur between. Pinasa sa labas. Astur dari Agurin. Agurin against Pasa. Agurin. Wala. Rebound Louis. Number 17. Jumper is wala. Super number 17. Arubang Blackwell.
Gusto mo yan sa
Number 2 pass to Chansar. Wala. Rebound Louis. Pero ako ng number 2. 3 points. Aza. Drive. Basket. May kasama bang pa? On number 6. First personal foul. Personal foul. One shot for number 8. Edu. Aza.
Sino na foul doon kuya pala?
number 6. Kuya dyan ba yun?
John Espino.
Number 6?
One shot is good. Tatlo na lang ang inahabol ng Kilo Care. Agurin for 3. Short rebound. Louis. Pass to Paza. Paza. 2 points. Timeout. Mrs. Parker. Panigawa. Players, stacking po. Players, stacking. Players, stacking players.
Saka lang, lista mo dyan.
Green pass to Jesse. Zamora for 3. Backs away.
Louis.
How about pass to number 17?
Beautiful.
Foul. Number 6, Espino. Second personal foul. Second foul. 2 shots for number 17. Box.
Pogs na, Pogs. Pogs na.
Two out of 2 for Garcia. Zamora open for 3. Wala. Rebound Espino. Matapik. Steal by Winter. Counter steal by Amot. And may foul. Oh, number 17.
Sapila.
Number 17, first na lang.
First personal foul. First team foul. Jesse for 3. Wala. Rebound. Hammer. Pass to Edu. Louis against Agurin. Louis. Wala. Agurin. Traveling violation. Pass to Edu. 6. Third personal foul, third team foul.
Kanya lahat yan. Ubus na rin ko dyan yung ball.
Bro, that's all good. Ayun sa biyahe bro ah. Yeah, roller lang. Straight line. Stop! Stop!
Walks.
Stop!
It's foul. Foul number 6. Espino, fourth personal foul, one for brother. Sabi ko siya. Nandiyan sa in, Espino out. Two out of two for number 17. We are all tied at 22, mga kaibigan. Jesse, pull-up jumper, wala. Rebound number 17.
Alis tayo dito. Pakita lang. Pero mali mo, confused.
Naka-ano eh, nakasamba. Nakasamba.
Between 2 points, lamang na po ang Philocare. Jesse, tinasa kay Winter. Winter against Louie. Tinasa kay Jesse, 2 points.
Relax. Wait for them. That's all. That's it. Go. Cut. Where's the cut?
10-second shot clock. Number 17, for 3. Short. Rebound. Yeah. This will pass to Jesse. Jesse, 2 points. Awak. Pass to between.
Dandan. Relax.
Number 17, wala. Zamora against Louie, 2 points.
Wala tayo under 3 minutes.
No time out under 2 minutes.
Same ball. No timeout po tayo under 3 minutes. No timeout under 3 minutes. Paja. Pass to Hammer. Awat, wala. Rebound number 17, 2 points. Jesse, pass to Ajansar, 2 points. Aja. Pass to between tinatang Hamad. Aja, tinatang number 17. 2 points. Zamora drives tinatang kay Winter. 2 points. Arbas, single. Iloy, binasa kay Paza. Single. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Remaining time 10 seconds. Louie. Tibera na 3. Kuya Louie. Shot. Rebound number 17. Dark ball. And the first, bring it in, body clock.
Ano tayo?
Start na ba? Dito na daw referee.
Raya pass to Udeso. Alcanzar for three. Bang! Knocking by the net.
That's it. Tandaan lang. That's it.
Traveling violation. Sabi doon sa rep. Takit ba takot?
Okay, pasok. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3.
Eldeso, runner, wala, rebound. Foul number 45, Alcanzar, first personal foul, first team foul.
Hindi pa nabasa ni Kuya Vincent kasi may access lang siya. So, dapat makikita.
Tulog. Check mo na. Or call mo na lang kayo.
Tanggalang, tumira, wala. Rebound, Hamad, wala. Rebound, Raya.
Ay, si Raya pala. Si
Number 2 pala, number 2. Eldeso, pass to Sales. Sales, drives, wala. Rebound, Eldeso. Wala. Rebound kay Louis. Pasa, 2 bombs.
Heads up.
Eldeso, pass to Raya. Eden Shopper, wala. Rebound, Hamad, pinasakay Pasa. Pasa, pinasakay Sanggalang. Number 17, wala. Sanggalang. Eden Shopper, wala. Sales. Pinasakay agad siya. Same spot. Pinasakay number 28. Then shot is good. Louis, pass to Pasa. Pinasakay between. Francis sa loob. Malakas. Isa pa, Francis. Is foul. Foul number 28.
Ilan na isa?
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Third shot.
One out of two for Francis. Eldeso for three. Wala. Pasa. Wala. Rebound Louis. 2 points. Sales. Dinapit. Sales. Wala. Nasay Pasa. Pasa drives. Malakas. Rebound Alcanzar. Nasay number 11 Raya. 3 on 2. Raya. Is foul.
Louis.
All number 7 to Louis. 6 pala, 6 sorry. First personal foul. Sabi ko sa shots for number 11, Raya. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Sabi ko sa rep. Raya out, Agurin in.
Ikot yung bola, nagtap sila oh.
Asa number 17. 2 points. Agurin all alone for 2 points. Amos, Asu, Paza, pinasa kay number 17. Basket, may kasama bang foul? Number 40.
Parang ponsi. Ilan eh? Ako lang.
First personal foul, 13 foul. Gabara is foul.
Kasi ka lang.
On number 8, Edu Paza. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for number 10. Zamora. Two on two. Amat masuk bersama tim. Nasa kay Paza. Paza to Louis is good. Mendesa. Pass to Zamora. 8 seconds. Zamora drives. Pero foul. Foul number 6, Louis between. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Push out for number 10, Zamora.
So, kung nasa pa?
Two out of 2 for Zamora. Louis in the up, 2 points. Zamora, tumatakbo Zamora. Wala, rebound. Kuya Louis. Paso sa Sanggalang. Sanggalang, pinasa kay Edu. Dinalik kay Sanggalang, pero may steal. Zamora is fouled.
Nelson.
Foul number 15, Hammock.
Louis.
Second personal foul, running for penalty.
Hindi, si ano, Amot na foul. Amot foul ngayon. Foul siya, foul ngayon.
Lagi ko kay Kuya Louie yung ngayon. Pre, lagi ko kay Kuya Louie. Set up lang.
Nalagay mo?
Kala ko si Kuya Louie yung foul siya. Kaya na, dalawa pa lang.
Kasi yung unang free throw, tapos masang yung kulang.
40, hands up, 40.
6-point made by Pariboy. Number 15, pinasa kay Eldeso. Zamora, 2 points.
Tutok mo muna yung camera, Zap. Tutok mo muna bago ko mag-ano. Okay.
Paza. Pinasa sa number 15, pinasa pa isang galang. Wala, isang galang. Wala ulit. Number 8, bank shot is good. Zamora, good. Amor. Shot clock is off. Zamora. Wala. Zamora ulit. Advance. And of the third. Pasok. Foul number 3. Jesse, second personal foul, first team foul. Kuya Louie, gagawa ba saan? Nakita si Hammer. 14 to shoot. Kuya Louie, pull-up jumper is good.
Taas kamay.
Ildeso, pass to Jesse. Fake. Pinalik kay Ildeso. Jesse ulit. Bumribol pa. Wala. Rebound, Will Winter. Wala pa rin. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds.
One stop. Dalawang timeout kami ha.
Dalawa.
Winter, tinasa kay Jesse. Tinasa pa kay JR. Wala ang bola. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Reset. 24. 14.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Still the hammer.
Dandan.
Asa. Tinasa kay number 17. Wala. Technical foul po tayo. No clapping mga kaibigan.
Sino yung pull-up? 95.
Technical foul number 25, Sales. For unintentional clapping. Wala. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Louis. He's fouled.
Sino pa?
Foul number 4. Timeout. Philcare. Two shots for Kuya Louie. First shot is good.
Pati na lang napindot ko agad. Nakapos pala.
Kasi hindi dalawa. Diyan kayo. Last one.
Two out of two for Kuya Louie. 2-point lead by Mrs. Market. Sales after Jesse. Tira free. Wala.
Step 1, dandan.
Sanggalang. Pass to Kuya Louie. Kuya Louie, pinasa kay Hamot. Pinasa kay Sanggalang. Steal by Maricor. Ildeso, pinasa kay Sales. Sales, pinasa kay JR. Wala. JR pa rin. 2 points. Aza. Pinasa kay Sanggalang. Hindi masasalo. Arba. Back roll.
Mrs. Market.
Ildeso, pinasa kay Winter. Winter, pinasa kay Jesse. 2 points. Hamot, pass to number 17, Fox. Wala, rebound. Hamot, pero may foul. Foul number 24, Agurin. First personal foul. Third team foul. Sabi to siya, rep, sabi to siya. Pasok.
Bigay sa kasama ni Kevin.
Ay, sila ba yun?
Great. Hamot for 3. In and out. Rebound Sanggalang. 2-0. Number 17. Wala. Rebound Sales. Zamora. Against Pada. Zamora is fouled.
Galatin si Neto ngayon.
Foul number 8. Aza. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for number 10, Zamora.
Sir, dito muna, sir. Sorry. Ano?
First shot is good. One of two. We are going to 3 minutes. Ada 2 points.
Sulag kamay, Bian. Sulag kamay. Sulag kamay. Stop na yung oras, oh. Take a pass.
Yeah.
5, 4,
10 seconds. Jab for 3. And Cicirin.
So, continuous na sa last 2 minutes lang tayo.
Pag-na-shoot. Ayun, pag-na-shoot.
Eldeso all alone for 2 balls. Ball number 4, Eldeso. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 25. Unsportsmanlike foul, number 25. Thrown out.
Na-technical na siya kanina. Hindi, dyan lang. Wag lang. Pwede ka screening yun. Hindi kami. Back out lang sa ilalim.
First shot is good. Two out of 2.
Depensa! Tayo ba kayo? Kanina? Mamaya na.
Aza. Still. Zamora all alone for 2. Time out. Philippines.
Sige tao.
Tenggelam. Out of bounds. Positive turnover for Philippines. Yeah. Pass to Zamora.
3 points.
Yeah. 8 seconds. Alcanzar pass to Jab. Nasa Winter steal. Another steal by Eldeso. Winter. Johnson. Pass to Jab. Kaya sa Eldeso. Alcanzar. Kaya sa Zamora. Zamora. Pass to Jab. 6 seconds. Agurin for 3. Wala. Iwan sa wala. Hawat. Nakita si Kuya Louie. Out of bounds. Backboard. Onset. Gurin. Zamora. Gurin. Ildeso. Tira ng tres. Wala. Rebound. Asa. Number 17. Number 17 is still by Zamora. Out lang kay Chow.
That's it.
And the ball game official score 61-51, 10-point lead by Mrs. Market.